Hello kids, it's story explanation time. The Selfish Man. Once upon a time, there was a selfish man. He always desired to have lots of money and never hesitated to cheat others to make money. Also, he never wished to share anything to others. However, one day he learned a lesson that changed his life forever. It so happened that one day a small bag that belongs to man was missing. The bag had 30 golden coins in it. He searched everywhere but could not find it. He told his friend how he lost his gold coins. His friend also joined to search. At a couple of days, his friend's daughter found the bag. She told his father about it. Her father identified the bag that was missing. It belonged to his friend. He came back to his friend and asked him to check whether the bag had 30 golden coins or not. The selfish man wanted to get the coins back, but he decided to play a trick. He shouted at his friend, "There were 40 gold coins in my bag, but you have gave me only 30. Where are the other coins? You have stolen them." The friend was shocked to hear this and played his innocence. The man decided to take the issue to court. The judge heard both sides. He questioned the girl's father how many gold coins she had found. Girl's father replied, 30 gold coins. The judge then asked to the selfish man how many he had lost. He answered, 40 gold coins. The judge then asked, "Are you sure your bag have 40 gold coins?" Selfish man nodded his head, yes. The judge then made his judgment. Since man lost the bag of 40 gold coins, it was obvious the bag that was found by the girl not belonged to you. It was lost by someone else. If anyone found a bag of 40 gold coins, I was decided it was belonged to you. The judge then told the girl's father to take the gold coins. It was a reward of their honesty. Moral of this story is that honesty will always be rewarded and greed punished. That's all, students.